I always say, we transform, ugly concrete to beautiful floors, right?
Be honest. When you open your garage door, does the look of the floor make you smile? Well, it should and it can, with help from Garage Force.
They want the floor to be done before the movers got here.
Like any job, prep is the key to laying down a new finish. That means grinding down the concrete to the correct profile is critical to getting the adhesive to bond to the floor.
When you are grinding, you do allow the pores of the concrete to open up so it can lock in the actual product itself before it starts curing.
Next, Garage Force applies a base coat before laying down the decorative flakes.
They have a little bit of time, about 25 minutes, clocking time to get the flakes on there because the polyurea, polyaspartic does have a fast acting curing process. And then we vacuum, the floor to make sure we don't have any flakes sitting straight up. We want every flake to be laying down on the floor, right?
Once excess flakes are gathered, a final coat is applied that is 20 times stronger than traditional epoxy finishes.
We use a UV stable polyaspartic. What that means to the homeowner or anybody is that the product that we finish with will never turn colors, and it's guaranteed for the life of the floor. No discoloration, no yellowing.
Traditional epoxy coatings can take 3 to 5 days to finish curing. At Garage Force of Katy, your new floor can be ready in just 24 hours.
The homeowner's given instructions they can walk on our floors within 12 hours, and then they can actually drive on it the very next day at 5 p.m.
A durable floor finish that adds value to your home, comes with a transferable lifetime warranty, and makes you smile. This is what makes Garage Force of Katy a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.